Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6. Let us presenting our material. The position of the People's Consultative Assembly as the execution of the sovereignty of the people. The position of the People's Consultative Assembly as the execution of the sovereignty of the people in Indonesia prior to the amendment of the 1945 Constitution. This can be seen in the provisions of Article 1, Number 2 of the 1945 Constitution, stipulated that sovereignty is in the hands of the people and carried out according to the Constitution. The above article it contains three meanings, namely: A. People's sovereignty is exercised by all state institutions established in the Constitution. B. People's sovereignty should be subject to the Constitution, the supremacy of the Constitution. C. People's sovereignty is limited by the rule of the Constitution, constitutional democracy. The principle of the sovereignty of the people gives connotation which is based on the sense that the highest authority within the state of the Republic of Indonesia based on the 1945 Constitution is in the hands of the Indonesian people. So, in the political system of people's sovereignty, it is the people who have the ultimate power to give and or to determine the final political decision.
During this time, the 1945 Constitution adheres to the idea dividing power that is vertical. People's sovereignty is regarded as a full manifestation of the MPR, which is the highest state institution. Article 1, Paragraph 2, before the amendment. From this function, certain functions are shared as duties and powers of the state institution under it, namely the President, BPA, DPR, BPK, and MA. In the 1945 Constitution, before the change, there is no known strict separation, but based on the outcome of the change, the principle of horizontal separation of powers is clearly embraced. For example, the separation between the executive power holders in the hands of the President, Article 5, Paragraph 1, and the holder of Legislative Council, which is in the hands of Parliament, Article 20, Paragraph 1, to know how the process of organizing the state according to the Constitution, the principle of separation and distribution of power should be observed because it greatly affects the relationship and institutional.
The principle of popular sovereignty embodied in legislation is reflected in the institutional structures and mechanism of state and government to ensure the establishment of the legal system and the functioning the democratic system. From an institutional standpoint, the principle of popular sovereignty is usually organized through a system of separation of power or distribution of power. Separation of powers tends to be horizontal in the sense that power is separate into functions reflected in the equal and checks and balance of state institutions, whereas the distribution of power is vertical in the sense that the manifestation of power is shared vertically down to the institution, high state under the institution of people's sovereignty. Prior to the amendment of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, a state structure was founded in the highest authority in the hands of the MPR, which fully exercised the sovereignty of the people.
The second point, position of MPR members from DPD after the amendment of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia. After the fourth amendment of the 1945 Constitution, hereinafter referred to as the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia. In addition, the position of all state institutions is equal as a state high institution. The institution listed as state institution according to the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia are 1. People's Consultative Assembly aka MPR, 2. House of Representatives aka DPR, 3. Regional Representative Council aka DPD, 4. President, 5. Supreme Court aka MA, 6. The Constitutional Court aka MK, 7. Supreme Audit Agency aka BPK. The existence of amendment to the 1945 Constitution clearly affect the position and authority of the House of Members of the People's Consultative Assembly aka MPR, consisting of members of DPR and DPD. Maybe that's all our presentation. Thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.